Have you ever heard of a battle where the outnumbered emerged victorious? The Battle of Agincourt is one such tale of incredible odds. This significant clash unfurled on October 25, 1415, near the village of Agincourt in northern France, marking a turning point in the long-drawn-out Hundred Years' War between England and France. On one side, we had the English forces led by the charismatic King Henry V, a man of strategic brilliance and unwavering courage. His army was vastly outnumbered, primarily composed of longbowmen, their hands skilled at wielding the English longbow, a weapon known for its lethal range and accuracy. Facing them was a formidable French army commanded by Charles d'Albret, the Constable of France. This army was a force to be reckoned with, boasting superior numbers in both cavalry and infantry. So, with the stage set, an outnumbered English force faces a formidable French army. What happens next? Now picture this. The English army, outnumbered but not outmatched, deploys its longbowmen, skilled archers with a weapon renowned for its range and accuracy. With precision they draw their bows, eyes on the horizon, awaiting the French advance. The English forces cleverly utilize wooden stakes driven firmly into the muddy terrain as a barrier against the charging French cavalry. The French, heavily armored and overconfident, struggle to maneuver in the sodden battlefield. The rain-soaked earth beneath their feet becomes a hindrance rather than a stronghold. The English longbowmen, taking full advantage of this, unleash a rain of arrows that fall like lethal hailstones, causing chaos and confusion among the French ranks. Imagine the cacophony of clashing steel, the thunderous roars of war cries, the whistling of arrows overhead. The French cavalry, once a symbol of might and power, now flounders in the face of the English infantry's resolute defense. Amidst the chaos, the English stand their ground, turning the tide against the French. Against all odds, the Battle of Agincourt ends in a resounding victory for the English. The French forces, mired by the muddy terrain and the relentless rain of arrows, suffered heavy casualties. Many of their nobility and knights, the backbone of medieval warfare, fell that day. In stark contrast, the English losses were relatively light, a testament to their strategic prowess and the lethal efficiency of their longbowmen. This victory didn't just mark another win in the ledger. It was a turning point, bolstering King Henry V's reputation as a formidable military leader and strengthening England's position in the Hundred Years' War. This triumph was against the odds, a smaller and less equipped force overcoming a superior enemy. The Battle of Agincourt, a tale of triumph against overwhelming odds, continues to echo through the annals of history and the works of literature, like Shakespeare's Henry V. It stands as a testament to strategy, courage, and the indomitable spirit of the outnumbered.